Assalamu alaikum and good evening, friends. So, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So, I welcome you once again, and I have a big news for you, good news for you, my dear friends. A big country, a very important country, has opened a visit visa for the foreigners, and especially for the Pakistanis. They can get visa directly. They don't need to go anywhere, so you will have to stay at home, and you can apply with your mobile and with the computer, and within 3 days you can get this visa, and you can also apply with your family, and you can visit with your family in this country. And as I told you that the PIA firstly don't fly in this country directly. Now they have also decided to directly to fly in this Azerbaijan. So this was an update by my dear friends. As you know that due to coronavirus, there were the many countries have have restrictions. They can the people traveling restrictions. So that is why Azerbaijan has reduced the travel restrictions. So now Pakistanis can apply for the visa and can get within 3 days. So this was an update from the Azerbaijan. And please, for more videos, for more informations, for more other countries' information, so we will also inform you, inshallah, in upcoming videos when we have the information. So the same time will be shared with you. So thank you very much for watching. Before going, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can find our upcoming videos. Have a nice time and nice evening. Take care.